Hi guys, welcome back. So today in this lecture we will discuss about how to set up a lookup relationship in a screen flow. So firstly, go to setup and in the quick find bot search flow, that is flow, and after that in the new flow, start from scratch, click on next, screen flow, click create. Let's take a contact screen flow, that is you can enter some details like last name, email, phone number, and then lookup relationship from the account object. Okay, so firstly, take a screen flow and like first you have to write name, that is the last name, that is first name and last name. Mention it as delete this one. Just take a last text field as a last name. Text. Okay, search text. Now this one. Take this as a last name and click on this required. Then the email disabled and read only required is equal to true. Yeah, okay. Then after that you can add a number field which is type phone number. Mention it as phone number. This is required. After that, make a lookup relationship with the account object, that is in the lookup. Select this, and in this lookup relationship that you can mention that account and field API name, that is account ID. In the contact we have account ID lookup relationship with the account, and label it name as account. Okay, so label it name account and object API name, that is contact. Okay, so here, yeah, I think search account, yeah, it is good. Okay, all good. Okay, so I think in the top screen, look, setup, lookup, lookup, lookup and screen flow. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so in the lookup relationship, I add the API name, that is account, and field API name for the contact, that is in the account object. Okay, you have like in the account in the contact object you have made a lookup relationship with the account. So make the field API name, mark the field API name, that is account ID. Here it is field API name, and the label is account, and the which object you have to retrieve from that is contact object. Here is the parent is a contact object. Then it will be your lookup relationship with the account. So I mark the object API name, that is contact. Okay, so I think I should be done. Click on done. Save this. Like lookup, label it name lookup relation, lookup relationship and screen flow. Okay, so save this, just run this. Okay, so click on last name, that is Abhishek, your email Abhishek at the rate 1234 Abhishek 1234 sorry 1234 at the rate gmail.com. and phone number, that is anything. In the lookup relation, here the contact are this. It is a contact for pyramid, consent, construction, boolean, and this is all the contact. Just select this and click on finish. So here we can use a simple form, and I will make a user for the account lookup relationship, that is in the contact object with the account relationship. So here it is, you can make a relationship between the account and contact. Okay. So I hope you will like this video. Please hit like and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned in our channel. If you have any comments, that wrote in the comment section. Thank you guys.